ChatGPT can also be used to summarize and explain in English what a SQL query is doing. We can look at an example of that. I'm just going to go to a site on Learning SQL. I'm going to copy the SQL statement that's in here, and I'm going to paste it in ChatGPT. I do have the plus version of ChatGPT, but the same applies for the free version as well. So I'm just going to copy and paste that SQL in there, press enter, and we're provided with a description of what this query is doing. Now, the more complex queries that you put in here, it's not always perfect in terms of being able to, explicitly explain what everything, is happening. It's also good to have an understanding of what, like, the data model is, so that way you can kind of piece together what ChatGPT is returning versus, um, to get to an accurate understanding of what the query is doing. Now, I use this as a starting point if somebody gives me a query to give me a high level what's going on, and then I'll investigate by looking at the data model, looking at the data that's inside each of the different tables that are being called, and then piecing all of that